Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. I love home decorating on a budget, and the way I do that is by budget shopping, clearance shopping, thrifting, Goodwilling, is that a word? Goodwilling, going to the Goodwill and doing a good upcycle. You guys know I am all about getting that luxe look for less. So if you love decorating your home as much as I do, and you love decorating it with style on a budget, then this is the channel for you. So if you have not yet already subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. So in today's video, I thought it would be fun to go out to see what's new in stores. Guys know I haven't been out of the house in a while, and I want to thank you guys so much for all your love, support, and your prayers. Your girl is on the mend finally. Oh my gosh, finally she's on the mend. So thank you so much. I greatly appreciate all your support, all your comments. I cannot tell you how much that meant to me, that you guys just really cared about my well-being. So thank you so much. I cannot tell you again how much I appreciate that. So let's go see what they have new in store. So I thought we would go to Homegoods, Walmart. I've been seeing a lot of Walmart videos where people have been showing some really fabulous things at Walmart. So I thought we would go check that out. And Hobby Lobby. I've saw some stems. I don't need any more. But I saw some stems, and I'm on the hunt for one in particular that I want to do for a DIY. So fingers crossed they have it. So without further ado, let's go shopping.
Naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy, it's been days but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, come a little bit closer, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish, you get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you, I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer, yeah, I can really start over, yeah. In the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure, yeah, I can finally start over, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Here's to the memories, cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me, I'm glad that's what you believe. All my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up. I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you.
Alright guys, as you can see, there were a lot of really nice things at Homegoods. I didn't pick up anything because I don't need any more stuff. I have enough stuff, but I just like going out looking just to see because I haven't been out in a while. They did have lots and lots of pumpkins though, lots of pumpkins. Oh, and did you see that bowl that was very similar to the one from CB2? That's like $99, and this one was on clearance for like $39, I think it was. So guys, I saw lots of home decor items that I have seen, similar to items that you would see at West Elm, CB2, and there was one other store, I forget. But anyway, if you see something on those more expensive sites, run out to your local Homegoods, because chances are you're going to find something very similar for a lot less money. That's what I do. I always look to those sites for inspiration. If I see something I like to go to Homegoods, because 8 to 9 times out of 10, I can find something very similar, and then it will cost me a whole lot less money. So that is a tip for you. That is something I would recommend. Remember that vase I showed you? that I picked up from HomeGoods a couple of years ago. It was $24.99 and now it's selling on CB2 for, I think it's like $79. Yeah. Keep your eyes out on HomeGoods. You can find some really nice things, very similar at a very affordable price. Now, the reason I went out is because I was looking for a particular item and I found it. I found it at Hobby Lobby. I'm so excited. So that is going to be a DIY. I know you're thinking, Sheryl, that's orange. Why did you pick that up? Yeah, it's not going to stay that color. Yeah, it's going to be a good DIY. So if you have liked today's video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do so you don't miss any of my upcoming fall content. My fall decorating this year is going to be featuring black. It's not going to be your typical fall decorating where you see the oranges and the yellows and the browns. That's not me. I love decorating in black and white. So if you want something outside the norm, something that you won't see in everyone else's homes and you want to be unique and different, make sure you subscribe because I have lots of decorating ideas coming up for you. Now, we did go to Walmart and I didn't see a lot of items at Walmart. I did show you some of their glassware. So I came home and I looked online. You know, I've been doing a lot of surfing online lately. And guys, I will tell you, Better Homes and Garden and the Drew Barrymore collection, oh my gosh, they are hitting it out of the park. They have some chairs that are very similar to ones that I have seen at CB2 for a fraction of the cost. A fraction of the cost. So if you have been sleeping on Better Homes and Garden at Walmart and on the Drew Barrymore collection, she's got furniture now. I only saw a couple of pieces online, but I'm sure there's going to be plenty more. So if you like West Elm, you like CB2, but you don't like those prices, make sure you check out Walmart. Make sure you check out their Better Homes and Garden and the Drew Barrymore line because guys, it's going to save you a lot of money. I mean a lot of money. I saw several pieces on their site that if I were starting over and I were doing my home over, or if I was just decorating for somebody else, really, really nice pieces, and some of it's on clearance. So make sure you go check that out. If you enjoyed today's video and I have inspired you just a little bit, give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. And with that, my friends, I hope to see you in the next one.